Church brought evil in Igbo land. Church brought evil in Igbo land. Let me know the evil where church brought in Igbo land, and I will tell you the evil that Igbos are doing even before church came. And the church, they lose all those things. Now, on a one return back to all this abomination. So you people are telling us to return back our loot, to start slaughtering twins. To start slaughtering twins. If village want build idol on a hatcho or something like that, they will go brought 7 virgins or your young girls when no man. They will slaughter them, use them to build that idol. Now what I want us to return back to do, and if they want to build idol, then go find 7 men. They slaughter them, or 10 people, or 5 people. Then go slaughter them, use them to build that idol. So now this is what I want us to return back to. Return back to know how to do what do they call them? A new lay. Yes, because a new lay no be missionary where brought gospel in Igbo land. No be them teach you people how to do a new lay. No be them teach you people how to do pin. No be them teach you people how to when I go do juju, carry that juju power, go buy a pregnant woman. When I go use juju, if you see your brother or your sister where they progress, you go use that juju to buy that person. This is a wickedness, and this is not for the missionary. Or if king buy, maybe if king die, then go find people when they go carry their head, belly the king. Or if you're a strong man, rich man, where get money, die. Then go find people where they go use, carry their head to belay those kings. Now what I want also to return back to doing is not possible. I want to ask you people, I want to know whether on a thing say now this only Aaron Sockage where if this Aaron Sockage by anybody, then go bring the body of that person to their shrine. Do you think say that only idol they do that kind of thing in Igbo land? There are many idols in Igbo land that are more dangerous than that idol, but the missionary that brought gospel in Igbo land destroyed them. Assuming that the missionary destroyed this Aaron Sockage, and they will be telling you people there was a time in Igbo land, some idols, if they buy anybody, they will bring the body of that person in the shrine of that idol. Most of you people will not believe. Most of people will say na propaganda. Now the same thing, we are telling you people there was a time they are slaughtering twins in this place. Most of you people do not believe. When they talk say na propaganda. Some of you people are going to rivers, sacrifice to rivers. The God that created heaven and earth is not living inside the water. The God who created heaven and earth is not living inside all these images. And they carry orgy, they do them. No. The God who created heaven and earth is not living in all those things that people are worshiping. All those demons why can't you people worship the creator of heaven and earth? We are not worship spirit. People are worshiping the spirit that living inside waters, rivers, and all these images. You people are giving them color and kai. He's telling you people to follow the light. When you people don't want to follow the light, now darkness we're gonna want. Return back to where? Return back to your loot. Who should your loot? Listen to me. If you say this idol where they call Aaron Sockage, where they slaughter human being, any person where he slaughter, then go carry the body of that person brought to the shrine. If you say na church brought that idol in Igbo land, now all of you go to talk say make church come and pack this thing and go. Nah, no oka botralo, oka break this thing in Igbo land. If you say this Aaron Sockage, where they slaughter human being, anybody where he slaughter, then go carry the body of that person, bring them for his shrine. If so, a church brought that idol in Igbo land, now when I go to talk say make church come and take this idol go. Oka wateralo. Listen to me. I told you people that in olden days, our ancestors, they slaughtered twins. Tell me the evil that Christianity brought in Igbo land, and I will tell you the evil that is happening in Igbo land. I have said it in my previous video. that this is what we call this, what they call it, Enyule. Enyule, yes, it is called Enyule. Enyule, who brought Enyule in Igbo land? Igbo people are using Enyule, slaughtering their fellow human being. Do you know how many people Enyule have died in Igbo land here? Pin, in total, that's the way they call pin. I want to know whether a missionary way came to Igbo land. Now then taught us the way then they do Enyule. All of you where they do Enyule and the pin, and all these people where they do Ikpansi. You go there for this village. You go there for village. They do juju against somebody where there for London, America. Who teach you that thing? I want to know whether a missionary where brought gospel in Igbo land. Let me stop this message here. Watch my next message. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezaguba. Shalom.